Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best fishing drones that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the 4K camera fishing drone from Camoro. This drone packs some serious features, including a 4K camera for stunning video capture, a 33-minute flight time, and a hefty payload capacity of 3 kilograms. It's also waterproof, making it ideal for fishing in various conditions. The GPS functionality ensures precise control, even over longer distances. And the auto bait drop feature is a game changer for anglers looking to cast their lines exactly where they need to. In terms of design, the drone is sleek and robust, with a durable build capable of withstanding outdoor elements. The included extra battery and propellers are a thoughtful addition, ensuring minimal downtime while out on the water. However, at nearly $2,000, this drone sits in the high-end category, making it more suitable for serious hobbyists or professional anglers. While the features are impressive, the price point and the intermediate skill level required to operate it might be a drawback for beginners or casual users. But if you're looking for a high-performance fishing drone with advanced features and are willing to invest, this one is worth considering. Coming in at number 4 is the new Swell Pro FD1 Plus Fisherman Waterproof Fishing Drone by Dominion Drones. This drone boasts a dual bait release system, an IP67 waterproof rating, and a massive payload capacity of 2.2 kilograms. It's designed specifically for fishing, with a casting range of up to 1.3 kilometers, and the ability to handle strong winds with ease. Its calibration-free setup and durable design make it a reliable choice for anglers who want a no-fuss, high-performance option. One standout feature is its waterproof construction, ensuring it can withstand harsh marine environments. However, this model does not include a camera, which might be a deal-breaker for users who want to visually scout fishing spots. The included remote control and battery add convenience, but the lack of a camera limits its versatility compared to other options on this list. This drone is ideal for advanced users who prioritize fishing-specific features over video capabilities. Its sturdy build and impressive bait-carrying capacity make it a strong contender for serious anglers. But beginners or those looking for a more multi-purpose drone might want to explore other options. At number 3, we have the Swell Pro Fisherman Max Heavy Lift Fishing Drone. This drone is a powerhouse, featuring a 4K camera, a 3.5 kilogram bait capacity, and an IP67 waterproof rating. Its advanced features include auto-fish functionality, which allows the drone to fly to pre-marked spots for bait drops, and a 1.5 kilometer casting range. It also offers level 6 wind resistance, making it incredibly stable even in challenging conditions. What sets the Fisherman Max apart is its versatility. The 4K camera not only lets you capture stunning footage, but also aids in identifying fish-rich areas, improving the success rate of your fishing trips. The multicolor display provides a live video feed, eliminating the need for a smartphone. However, at 7.8 kilograms, this drone is heavier and less portable, and its steep price point may deter casual users. This drone is ideal for professional anglers or anyone looking for a feature-packed fishing drone that can handle heavy payloads and tough environments. While it's not the most beginner-friendly option, its advanced capabilities make it a top choice for those who demand the best. Taking the runner-up spot is the AirDrop payload system by BRDRC. This versatile accessory is compatible with a wide range of drones, including DJI Mini 4 Pro, Mini 3 Pro, and Mavic 3 Pro models. It allows you to transform your existing drone into a bait-dropping machine with a maximum payload of 1 kilogram. The one-button operation and 500-meter control range make it incredibly user-friendly. What makes this system stand out is its lightweight design. Weighing just 1.4 ounces, which ensures it doesn't interfere with your drone's flight performance. The quick installation process and customizable straps make it easy to set up, even for beginners. While it doesn't include a drone, this accessory provides a budget-friendly way to add fishing functionality to drones you may already own. This product is perfect for hobbyists looking to dip their toes into fishing drone technology without breaking the bank. However, its limited payload capacity and lack of advanced features like waterproofing or long-range control might not meet the needs of professional anglers. And finally, taking the top spot is the Universal Drone AirDrop System by Amanelli. This premium accessory is compatible with a wide range of DJI drones, making it a versatile choice for drone enthusiasts. It features an impressive 1-kilometer control range, rechargeable AirDrop equipment, and an adjustable hook for precise item release. The fast response time and stable operation ensure a seamless fishing experience. The build quality is excellent, with a well-thought-out design that uses Velcro straps for secure attachment. The included accessories, such as the sling and small hoop, add to its utility. While it doesn't come with a drone, its compatibility with popular DJI models makes it a great add-on for existing drone users who want to expand their drone's functionality. Priced at $44.95, this product offers excellent value for its premium features and robust design. It's ideal for both hobbyists and serious anglers looking for a reliable, high-performance bait dropping system. Its advanced features and ease of use make it a standout option in the fishing drone market. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.